government, sir?
See, we have maintained from day one that different kind of movements have been taking place. And obviously, it is the intelligence network which has been working very aggressively to ensure that we keep a tab on all of this. So therefore, when there are questions that are asked by the press or by public that is there intelligence failure? So in these kind of situations, one doesn't realize that there is a very strong intelligence network, and that's why we're able to catch all of this. That's why the incidents that happened in Tikrikila was happened where we were able to pick up people, the way we were able to nab people who are entering with ammunitions in Tura, the way we were able to catch people who have gone for these trainings in different areas. So it is a concern, but the police are doing their job. The intelligence department is doing their job. They are watching and making sure that anybody who's trying to cause any kind of law and order situation will not be left unpunished. So therefore, it's a great work that the police is doing, and we must congratulate their work, but more needs to be done. And as for your primary question of whether it's a matter of concern, that yes, obviously it's a matter of concern. We need to ensure that more and more monitoring needs to be done. But as I said, the police is doing a very good job, and that's the reason why we're able to keep things